Hello and welcome to Insurance World TV, your digital classroom for everything insurance related. We are so glad you're joining us today. If you're someone who's ever felt confused or overwhelmed by the concept of insurance, you're in the right place. Our mission is to break down the complexities of insurance and make it as simple as possible for you. We believe that understanding insurance is not just for the experts, but for everyone. So sit back, grab your notepad, and get ready to dive into the world of insurance with us. In today's episode, we'll be taking a comprehensive look at insurance, what it is, how it works, and why it's so crucial. We'll cover everything from the basics to the nitty-gritty details. So without further ado, let's get started. Have you ever wondered how insurance works and why it's so important? Well, you're not alone. Insurance is a fundamental financial tool that offers protection and peace of mind. It's like a safety net there to catch us when we fall. But what is insurance? Simply put, it's a contract between an individual or entity known as the policyholder and an insurance company. The policyholder pays regular premiums, and in return, they receive financial protection against certain types of risks. Our aim today is to break down this complex concept into simple, easy-to-understand terms. We'll explore the mechanics of insurance, the various types available, and the process of filing a claim. We'll also delve into why insurance is so crucial to the general public and how it helps mitigate risks. So, without further ado, let's dive into the fascinating world of insurance. Insurance is more than just a monthly payment. It's a system built on principles such as risk pooling, transfer of risk, and the spread of costs. Let's break down these concepts to better understand the mechanics of insurance. First, we have risk pooling. This is the cornerstone of insurance. Picture a large group of people, each with their own unique risks. By paying regular premiums, they collectively create a pool of funds. This pool is then used to cover the losses of those few who experience an insured event. It's about sharing risk among many to help the unfortunate few. Next, we have the principle of risk transfer. When you buy an insurance policy, you're transferring the financial risk of a potential loss to the insurance company. In other words, instead of bearing the full brunt of a financial loss yourself, the insurance company steps in to shoulder that burden. This is the safety net that insurance provides. Lastly, there's the spread of costs. Insurance companies calculate premiums based on the likelihood of a loss occurring and the potential cost of that loss. This is why different people pay different premiums for the same type of insurance. For example, a young driver might pay a higher premium for car insurance than an older, more experienced driver. The young driver is statistically more likely to have an accident, so their cost is spread across a higher premium. These three principles, risk pooling, risk transfer, and spread of costs, work together to create the foundation of insurance. They allow us to share our risks, protect ourselves from financial devastation, and distribute costs in a fair and manageable way. Now that we know how insurance works, let's look at the different types of insurance available. There are many types of insurance, each designed to protect us in different ways. Health insurance, for instance, helps cover medical costs, ensuring that illnesses or accidents don't drain our savings. Auto insurance, on the other hand, protects us from the financial consequences of road mishaps, including vehicle damage and legal liabilities. Then we have homeowners or renters insurance, safeguarding our homes from damages caused by fires, theft, and other unforeseen circumstances. Life insurance provides financial security to our loved ones in the event of our untimely demise, while disability insurance replaces a portion of our income if we're unable to work due to a disabling injury or illness. Property insurance covers damages or loss of personal properties, and liability insurance protects us if we're held legally responsible for harm to another person or their property. Each type of insurance serves a unique purpose, ensuring we're covered from all angles. Insurance premiums are a vital part of these contracts. Let's see how they are calculated. The cost of insurance, known as the premium, depends on various factors. These factors could include your age, gender, location, the level of coverage you choose, your deductible, and risk factors specific to the type of insurance. You're probably wondering, what's a deductible? Well, it's the amount you, the policyholder, will need to pay before your insurance company starts to cover the remaining costs. For instance, in the case of auto insurance, if you have a deductible of $200 and you get into a minor fender bender that costs $600, you'll be responsible for paying the first $200. The insurance company would then step in to cover the remaining $400. Remember, the higher your deductible, the lower your premium tends to be, and vice versa. So choosing the right balance between premium and deductible is key to managing your insurance costs. When a loss occurs, it's time to file a claim. Filing a claim is the first step towards getting compensation from your insurance company. When you experience a covered loss, the claim process kicks in. It's a bit like telling your side of the story to the insurance company. You'll need to provide all the necessary details, including the nature of the loss, its cause, and the extent of the damage or injury. Once you've submitted your claim, the insurance company steps in to investigate. They'll review your claim and the circumstances surrounding it, often with the help of experts. This investigation aims to determine the validity of your claim and the amount of compensation you're entitled to. If your claim is approved, the insurance company will compensate you according to the terms of your policy. This compensation can help you recover from your loss and get back on your feet. So, why is insurance so important to us? Insurance plays a crucial role in our lives and society. It acts as a financial safety net, cushioning us from the hard fall of unexpected events. When life throws curveballs like a car accident, medical emergency, or property damage, insurance steps in, helping us recover without devastating financial consequences. It's not just about the money. It's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're protected. Imagine a world without insurance. An unexpected illness could mean financial ruin. A car accident could lead to insurmountable debt, and a house fire could leave a family homeless. But with insurance, these scenarios are less daunting. It provides a buffer, ensuring that when life happens, it doesn't break the bank. Legal requirements also underscore the importance of insurance. Many places require auto insurance as a legal mandate. It's not just about protecting yourself, it's about protecting others too. If you're at fault in an accident, your insurance can cover the costs of the other party's damages and medical expenses. Lenders often require insurance coverage to protect their investments. For instance, if you have a mortgage, your lender will likely require homeowners insurance. It safeguards their investment, ensuring they won't lose money if the property is damaged or destroyed. Insurance plays a key role in protecting our investments. Whether it's a home, a car, or expensive equipment for a business, insurance coverage ensures that we won't lose everything we've worked hard to acquire. Healthcare access is another critical aspect. Health insurance ensures access to medical care without high out-of-pocket expenses. It can cover routine checkups, prescription medications, and emergency treatments, making healthcare more affordable and accessible. In essence, insurance is a crucial tool for managing financial risks. It's a small price to pay for protection against life's uncertainties. It provides peace of mind, financial security, and safeguards our investments, making it an integral part of our lives and society. Insurance also plays a crucial role in risk mitigation. Insurance helps us navigate the financial uncertainties of life. By providing a safety net, it allows individuals and businesses to mitigate financial risks and bounce back from unexpected losses. This protective role of insurance becomes even more vital when we consider large-scale disasters. Imagine a large flood or a city-wide fire. Without insurance, the losses would be unbearable for many and could plunge them into financial ruin. And it's not just about individual protection. Widespread insurance coverage contributes to a stable economy. By preventing catastrophic financial events from crippling households and businesses, insurance can keep the wheels of commerce turning even in tough times. Moreover, it reduces the burden on social safety nets, such as government assistance programs, by providing a private means of financial support. Despite its benefits, insurance does come with its challenges. But with the right understanding and approach, these challenges can be effectively managed. Choosing the right insurance policy can be tricky, but being informed can help. Let's talk about the challenges first. Cost is a significant factor. Insurance premiums can be heavy on the pocket, making it unaffordable for some. Coverage gaps are another issue. Not all risks are insurable, and some may fall through the cracks. Lastly, insurance fraud can drive up costs for everyone. Now let's pivot to some tips that can guide you in choosing the right insurance. First, assess your needs. Understand what type and level of coverage you require. Second, don't settle for the first quote you get. Shop around, compare quotes from different insurance companies. Third, understand your policy. Read the fine print, know what's covered, and be aware of any limitations. Lastly, review your insurance annually to ensure it still meets your needs. Understanding insurance can empower us to make informed decisions and protect our financial future. Understanding insurance is not just about understanding a financial product. It's about grasping a lifeline that safeguards us from unexpected financial shocks. Today, we've navigated the landscape of insurance, from its intricate workings to its varied types, and the crucial role it plays in our lives. We've also delved into the challenges it presents and the strategies to overcome them. So, next time you pay your insurance premium, remember, you're investing in your peace of mind and financial stability. Thank you for joining